A very good morning. This is S.K. Singh, Principal, Delhi World Public School, Urai. I'm here to brief you about my experience of online learning or virtual classes, which we started from 3rd of April, and day by day it is really very enjoyable and very useful for my students. Dear parents, I'm thankful for your wholehearted cooperation. You are all the time with the kids and all the students are participating with your help. I appreciate the effort of my all entire teaching faculty, those who are working from home and those who are working from school campus. Indeed, it is a very happy moment to share with you that more than 500 students, those who are connected digitally on the daily basis from morning 8:30 to evening 4:30. Every day we used to give teaching learning material and worksheets at morning, and all the worksheets answer key is being given at evening by 5. So students, those who are engaged with the parents, they are going through the material, they are searching for the answer, they are solving the worksheet, and they are submitting this all work by evening. We do have a problem solving session which starts in morning 9:30 and goes till 4:30. So all class students can come on video conferencing, they can discuss the problem with their concerned subject teachers and problems are being solved. After 1 month successful journey, we started online test, which is of course a matter of again happiness that my students are doing well and they are participating. Dear parents, we have a number of other activities like dance classes in the junior, it is going on, art and craft, it is going on, and number of entertaining or co-scholastic activities also being conducted. Very soon after test, in summer break, we will have hobby classes where we will have a dance, where we will have a yoga, where we will have a art and craft, where we will have a painting, and where we will have a fireless cooking and other activities too. So wish you all the best. I am sure with your cooperation, Delhi World Public School, Urai will reach to a greater height very soon. A special thanks to the management. They are very keen to give best education in this Bundelkhand region. This is the dream and desire of management. So let's be all together and create a new historical platform for this land of Bundelkhand. Stay safe, stay home, and take care of yourself. Keep enjoying all digital learning classes. If you do have any issue, please you can text me and your problem can be sorted out. Wish you all the best. Good luck to you all.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा आशाएं मिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
मूवी ले जा जा कोल मेरे बह जा दो दिल दिया तू भी कह जा मैं भी दिल दे हाल सुनाने मैनू लहंगा ले दे
खनके चूड़ी मेरी तुझे बुलाने को सजती हूँ मैं तुझे ही बस दिखाने को
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है
My name is Akshat Viskarma. My class name is UKG. My eyes can see. My nose can smell. My ears can hear. My lips, my mouth can taste. My hand and touch. Good night, bye. ये है दो प्यारे पंछी। देखो ये पेड़ की डाली पे बैठ के कितने खुश हो रहे हैं और डक पानी में इधर उधर जा रही हैं। मम्मा डक अपनी फ्लावर लेने जा रही थी और देखो सन और ये आसमान में पंछी और बादल। Today I will play Naginun on piano. This is my piano.
चांदी की आठाई रूप कति निखरा पाटना चिकना बहू की मान की काली दामन नीचे बन की देखो चीज कसंती यगज बड़ पानी ले चाली यगज बड़ पानी ले चाली यगज बड़ पानी ले चाली यगज बड़ पानी ले चाली
Hi, my name is Yashika and I study in class 7 and today I am going to dance in front of you on the song Lehenga. So hope you enjoy my dance.
ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਟਿਆ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਲ ਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਜਿਆ ਕਰ ਤੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਪਿੰਗ ਮਾਰ ਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਭ ਪਲ ਸਜਦੀਆਂ ਰਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟ ਕਰਾ ਦੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕਾਲੇ ਵਾਲ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਸਜਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਸਾਰੇ ਸੂਟ ਪਲਾਣਿਆ ਹਾਏ ਪਲਾਣਿਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਹਿੰਗਾ